How to make your trade plan to work. This is what we are going to discuss today in the episode 11 of How to Become a Successful Trader from Market Secrets. So, how to make your trade plan to work. A plan is not worth anything if you do not know how to use it or you simply do not follow it. You should never assume your plan is great either. Some people have a trading plan that they use all the time but never make any money with it. Maybe this plan is just outright wrong and needs to be revamped and retested until it makes money, or needs to be forgotten completely and you need to make a new one. In this episode, let's discuss about some steps you can take to ensure that your trading plan works. First is constant reviewing. Part of your trading plan should be how and when you will review your trade plan and performance. It doesn't need to be a written journal or a trade book or a trade log, but you should have a proper method of monitoring your positions as well as going over the trades to figure out what you did right or wrong. Reviewing is an ongoing event that will make you a better trader. How often you review depends on the time frame you trade. A positional trader may need to review only once a week or once a month, while a scalper and an intraday trader has to review their trades daily or at least once a week. So when it comes to reviewing trades, you should start reviewing your losing trades that you exited correctly with small loss. These are the most important trades of all, and it is a behavior you should reinforce. You made a right decision by getting out of a trade with a small loss that would have turned out to be a huge loss. You should consider these to be good trades because you did the right thing by getting out of the losing trade with small loss. You should try to remember what you saw that made you to get out quickly, and if you see that setup again, you should act correctly again. If you have a weakness for letting losers get too big, you should focus on improving in this area. Next, you go on to the ones that you let get away or just acted stupidly on, regardless of whether you made money or not. If you let a trade get really bad, you try to understand why you did so that you don't do it again. You should try not to repeat the same mistake in the future again. This is easier said than done. The last thing to review is your winning trades, and again you should try to learn from them. This whole process don't take too much time to do at all. Just a few minutes after the closing of the market, and it is worth much more than the effort you put into it. Those who never review their trades will never learn what they did right and wrong. So don't ignore this simple homework. Also, don't just review the trades, but constantly review your trading plan as well. You should constantly check the plan for its validity. You may be losing money, and the reason may be the trading plan is faulty, so keep making sure that it is sound. You also want to review to see if you followed your plan. There is nothing worse than having planned out a great trade on paper. The market did exactly what you thought it would do, and yet you screwed it up and lost money. You need to follow your plan if you want to succeed. If you can't, then trading is not going to make you rich. And moving on to the execution issues, discipline is the most important aspect of your trading plan. You need the discipline to make the trading plan, and more important is you need the discipline to stick to your trading plan. Once you start deviating from a plan, it's easy to start losing and making emotional trading decisions. You will start making trades you shouldn't, you will overtrade, you will risk too much, you will hold positions for too long, and overall make poor trades. It is easy to lose discipline when you are on a winning or a losing streak. When winning, you may think you are better than the market and don't have to follow your plan. When losing, you may try anything in desperation. Both the cases are asking for a disaster. You should never allow the losses to change your trading plan. If you have had few losses, continue following your trading plan as long as it is sound. Don't change your trading style and become more aggressive or stubborn. You need to understand that loss is just a cost of doing your business. Ignore it and move on to the next opportunity. The worst thing that you can do in trading is to start trading heavier to make back losses. If you are continuously losing, stop trading until you have examined your trading plan, as it may be the cause. On the other hand, don't lose discipline and ignore your trading plan after a winning streak. Many traders get too arrogant after a good streak, thinking that they are invincible and will make carelessly thought out trades with too much size. Then one or two losses can quickly wipe that smile off their faces. If you have been trading well, it might just be the plan that got you there. So don't ignore it. Like discipline, staying focused is crucial for the trading plans to work. You can have a great trading plan, but if your mind is scattered throughout the day, you will not be able to carry out your plan. If your mind is busy with something, your trading will suffer. If you don't have a proper time to dedicate to the market, you will need to change your trading plan to trade less and hold positions longer, or you should take a break from your trading. So, what's the takeaway from this episode? How to make your trading plan to work. More money can be made by being properly prepared for the market than by actually trading it. This means doing your homework before and after the market hours, which involves reviewing your trades regularly and learning from your winning and losing trades. Also, you should review your trading strategy periodically to ensure that it is not faulty. On top of this, if you stay disciplined and focused on your trade execution, you will be able to make your trading plan to work. That is, you will be able to generate profits regularly from your trading plan. So, do you have a trading plan in place? Is it working? Are you following it diligently? Let us know in the comment section. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we conduct live sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.